Okay guys, this is just a quick tour of a Homak 72-inch box, the Homak RS Pro. This one you can get at Napa. Mine turned out to be pretty good. The original box that I got was going to be screwed up right here at the brace, and then when I got it here, when they loaded it, they damaged it on the bottom. So definitely inspect your box. Just make sure that all the panels look really good, because they gave me $300 off. It was already on sale. Ended up getting it for $1,000. So just going through, it's got good drawer pulls. These are pretty nice. There's already a complaint from some folks that you put something up here too tight, and I can see that. Got a few things that if you try and pack them a bit too tight in the drawer, they're not that good. If you're trying to utilize the height of this drawer, I'm using it for electrical. I kind of recommend these. These are a dollar store, but you can stack pretty good in here. And if you want to look through something here, you can label them, yank this whole thing out, and then put it back. But it'll allow you to utilize more of the height of the drawer if you want to try it that way. So, but these do close up really well. Laptop here. I've just thrown stuff in here, trying to try different stuff out. Depth of the drawers right around right at 21 inches. Total depth of the box is like 24. I think this is going to be a better box for sure than the Harbor Freight, because the quality of it, just when you put your hands on a Harbor Freight box, it is just feels a little bit flimsy. And these close up well. Nice deep drawers. Got the double slides on them, so they're rated at 200 pounds. This would be my drill drawer, all kinds of crap, we screwed up kind of stuff. It's got 3 of the same depth drawers on the bottom, so if you've got a bunch of blow molded cases or a bunch of different sets, tools and things like that, that seems to work out really well for that. It's too short for tall stuff like this snap-on set for the harmonic dampener. No, that is for I used that for pulling the steering wheel the other day. Let's put it that way. I've been utilizing the front of this just a little bit, so that using all my space. Still got some drawers that are empty or nearly empty. So, but I had to take all the drawers out in order to unload it off the pallet. It's just really heavy. It's about almost 600 pounds, and with all the drawers out, the inside of it was perfect. I mean, the paint, the powder coat went all the way through. If I can figure out how to put pictures in the video here, I'll go ahead and do that. But it's good because I've got a bunch of small drawers. If you look, got several small drawers. I don't know, 4 or 5 on each side, and they are quite good for a bunch of hand tools. I wish there was one more of these drawers on the other side, because there are some larger tools that I'd like to be able to move over. But hey, and for the money I paid, I'm happy with where I'm at. Definitely need to work on my wrenches. This looks like crap, but at least able to get all my wrenches in my drawers, which I wasn't able to do before. I was surprised that this was tall enough to stand all these pliers up. Now, this is not the really nice $30 plier racks, but these are actually just dish drying racks that you cut up, and they make pretty decent plier holders. But I mean, this box has a ton of space. Just there's no way around it. Its quality is good. Paint is in excellent shape. I think it's gonna be a great box for a long time. That was part of my goal here, was to not end up with a box that I was gonna have to grow out of and then immediately replace soon after I got it. Plenty of room up here. Definitely need to add some more ratchets, a whole lot more in sockets, some axle sockets and stuff here. But yeah, got a plenty of room to add that. It's got, I think this is a 48-inch pry bar in the back. It is not long enough, obviously, to do your breaker bar front to back. So you will run that along the back wall or the front. So that is, there are a couple of trade-offs here, but this is a $1,000 to $1,300 box, so there are definitely a couple trade-offs, but I still think it's worth it. It comes with a stainless steel top. This part looks good. This part over here looks like crap. That looks like it's just barely thin enough to still be called stainless steel. It's kind of got some exposed welds here. Hey, maybe I don't know what a good one looks like, but it does feel nice and solid. This is one day's use, and it's already got tons and tons of fingerprints all over it. So I'm going to add power strip on the back for all the rechargeables that I'm end up using, and just give you an overall view one more time. I think this box is going to make a lot of folks happy, because I've been looking for a while, and I think this is one step above your Harbor Freight quality. I know that on some forums I looked, and they were supposed to be bringing their quality up and changing up their boxes here recently, or in the future, and until they ramp it up pretty good, this is going to be on par. If you looked at a Menard's Masterforce box, I think this would be on par with that, versus that. I don't think they're in the same category as the Harbor Freight, whatever they call that, U.S. General box. So I think this gives it a run for its money. All right, hope you guys enjoy.